Hello everyone. Let's dive into the AMANSON H9, a mid-tower ATX case designed for gaming enthusiasts. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is the sheer number of pre-installed fans. We're talking 9 PWM ARGB fans, which is pretty impressive. This immediately addresses cooling concerns, a major plus for any serious gamer pushing their system to the limit. The panoramic tempered glass design offers a great view of your components and the ARGB lighting. The case supports ATX motherboards, making it compatible with a wide range of builds. The black color gives it a sleek, modern look that should fit well in most setups. One of the standout features is the ARGB synchronization. The fans can be controlled directly through your motherboard's plus 5 VARGB header, eliminating the need for a separate controller. This simplifies the setup process and allows for seamless integration with your existing lighting ecosystem. You can customize the colors and effects using your motherboard software, creating a visually stunning and personalized look. The AMANSON H9 also offers good radiator support, including space for a 360mm radiator. This is great for those who prefer liquid cooling for even better thermal performance. The inclusion of a Type-C port on the front panel is a welcome addition, providing convenient access for modern devices. The power supply mounts at the rear, a standard configuration that helps with cable management. Overall, the AMANSON H9 appears to be a well-designed case that prioritizes cooling and aesthetics.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.